up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. Got a nice 1966 Ford Mustang up for sale today. This thing shows very, very well. We're going to do a full walkthrough of the vehicle. Go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. We ship all over the US and worldwide. We can ship it anywhere. We ship every day, anywhere. If you like our classic cars and want to see all of our new inventory, please hit the subscribe button right now. You'll get notified every time we put up a classic car for sale. Let's go ahead and get started. A 1966 Ford Mustang. This is a coupe with the vinyl top. It's a C code, originally a 2-barrel from the factory, 289 V8. It's paired with an automatic C4 transmission. It's got manual steering, manual brakes. Start off with the condition of the vehicle. We'll start on this fender right here. Fender's in good shape. Paint shines fairly well. For it being a cloudy day, you can see my reflection in it. It's not perfect paint, but it definitely does look good. I don't see any visible flaws on this fender. Now one thing I did notice about this car, which is different from a lot of Mustangs, it's got this rough texture here all across the bottom, kind of like where the stripe goes, and it looks like it was done right. In this door, you got a flaw right there, as you can see. The rest of the door seems to be in good shape. You got a little ding right here, if you can see that on camera. Vinyl roof appears to be in good shape. You got no bubbling. Usually they bubble up. I don't see any bubbling on it. Back here is in good shape. No rips, no tears. Up top also looks good. Quarter looks to be in good shape. I don't see any dents, any dings, any chips. Back here they usually crack. I don't see any cracking on it. Little flaw right here in the paint. This has got hubcaps. Tires are in good shape. Wheel well also looks to be in good shape. Go to the back. Chrome looks to be in really good shape. Got dual exhaust. Trunk lid. Got a little flaw right there. And a little one right there. I don't see anything else on the trunk lid. Little flaw right there. While we're on this side, we'll take a peek underneath. Underneath looks like it has previous repairs. Looks like somebody did the floors on it. Does not look to be in perfect shape underneath. They didn't all redo it perfectly, but it does look all solid. I don't see any rot or rust or anything like that. Frame rail looks to be in good shape. I don't see any rot. They usually rot out back there. The front rail, same thing. All appears solid. We'll go ahead and move to the back of the vehicle. Look underneath as well. Suspension looks like it's fairly new or newer. Start on this side. This quarter's in good shape as well. I don't see anything that sticks out. A little bit right here, a little imperfection. This top on this side's also in good shape. Looks like there's a little bit of sealer in here. I guess somebody put sealant here so water would not get in there, which is good. You can't see it. The biggest flaws with the car is going to be on this door here. So you got some rust bubbling starting right here, right here. They're all pretty solid. This one, when I push on it, it does move a little bit. You can see the rest of them are solid. So probably doing the bottom of that door and then spraying it would probably be your best bet. This fender, again, appears to be in good shape. I don't see anything going on with it. Tire, good shape. Let's take a look underneath. Same thing with this side. Somebody did the floor on it. It's all solid, but they didn't do a great job. It's fine. It's substandard, I would say. I don't see any rot or anything. Yeah, Wimbledon white. Couple little flaws here. A little here. This bumper's not as nice as the back bumper. You got a couple little flaws there. You got like a little PDR right here, paintless dent removal. Got the vent plate right here. Originally a C code. This says 289 high performance. That's not a hypo for sure. It's just a 289. The owner did tell me that they did refresh in the engine. He had it apart, or a shop he took it to, and he said that it did upper part of the engine. And it looks like it was out. It looks like it was painted at some point. Looks like there's new wires. Manual brakes, manual steering. Looks fairly clean under here. Not great, but not bad. I would just say this car is just a solid driver quality. It looks good, it drives good, but it's not showroom by any means. It's just a solid Mustang. Before we go on the inside, let's open up the trunk. I think the trunk is impressive. This is all solid. They usually are bad right here. It seems to be all in good shape. Same here. Lift under the mat. All seems nice. Again, it's a solid looking, solid driver, but not a show car by any means. It shows really well. On the interior, door panel, nice. Seat's got a little flaw there and there. Back seat's good. Headliner is in decent shape. Got a little hanging there. It's not terrible. This seat, good shape. Dash pad is fine. Let's see if we can get this open. Looks like tape is holding this, so that needs to be repaired on the inside. We'll check to make sure all the electronics are working and the horn. Horn works. Radio's got a digital radio. See if that works. Yep. Radio works. Got 23,778 miles, which is true miles unknown. I mean, it's a 5-digit odometer. This car does not have 23,000 original miles, that's for sure. Looks like all the gauges work. This has been sitting in the middle, so I don't know if that works. And we'll see if the coolant gauge, temperature gauge comes up. We'll see if the heat kicks on. Sound like that opened up, but I don't hear this fan kicking on. Oh, there it goes. Fan is kicking on. There we go. We got the heat on. Non-AC car. Wipers work. See if the lights go on. Lights are working. While we're up here, let's listen to the engine. Little 289. Engine sounds good. The only thing I would recommend is picking up the idle, which I'll probably pick that idle up. Looks like the brake or the tail lights are working. Left turn signal, that works. Right turn signal, that works. And the horn works. Looks like temperature gauge is working, and we're good to go, guys. Up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. Price is in the description. If you like this video, please leave me a comment. All comments are helpful. Criticism, if you like the car, if you hate the car, pricing, you want to put whatever you want on there, we'll take it. We like feedback. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. Give me a call today. You don't deal with any salespeople, you deal with me directly. 215-801-9493. Give me a call today, and God bless the USA. Appreciate you checking out our page.